Good afternoon. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Somnath Surketi. I am 26 years old. I am from Chitwan, Nepal. I am unmarried. I have 5 members in my family. My education is plus 2 passed. My height is 5.3 feet and weight is 68 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to come to any European countries as a factory workers to work in a good company and enhance my skills, also to earn money and support my families, secure my futures. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and weight lifting, operating machines, materials and all safety, etc. I will stay there for long term, maybe 5 6 years. I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any other or climate, they are inside or outside. Also, I will follow the company's rules and policies. Thank you. Thank you.